to read a story, but we don't know what story we're going to read yet.
But we do have these details from the story to help us figure out what the book will be.
A detail is a small piece of information that supports main ideas.
The first detail we have is this cleaning set.
What? What could this piece of information tell us about the story?
Let's look at another detail from the story.
We have this pumpkin, but what can a pumpkin do for cleaning set?
We need more details.
This last detail we had guesses this fancy shoe.
Oh, I think I know what the story is.